Welcome to IBC 2025. This year we bring together our global media, entertainment and technology clients, showcasing their groundbreaking innovations right here in Amsterdam. Well, Grass Valley, obviously one of the biggest names in the media and broadcast industry, so let's find out what they're up to here in Amsterdam for IBC 2025. Chief Product Officer Adam Marshal is with me now. Adam, have you had a good show?
Absolutely. My throat's already starting to go, but it has been a great show so far. Probably one of the busiest we've had for a number of years, actually, since COVID. And the buzz is amazing, so yeah, great.
So what is your offering? Because you cover everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Grass Valley is a leader in the industry. We've got everything from our cameras all the way through to the distribution chain, and it means we can provide a full portfolio of the entire workflow if needed. But of course, it's equally good for the individual parts of the chain as well. So whether it's cameras, switches, asset management, replay, playout, and the works, it's all available from Grass Valley.
And we were chatting before we started rolling. You've got about 30 different products and services that you're showcasing here, but tell us about those standout ones.
Yeah, I think actually the move to software defined is allowing us to launch things faster and more streamlined, very much targeted. But actually one of the outstanding stars is our camera line with the brand new LDX 180 and the C180 compact camera, providing a shallow depth of field camera solution in a broadcast system format. So I can integrate it with the rest of my LDX 100 cameras with a minute mix of my 2/3 and my shallow depth of fields to drive creativity and storytelling without the technical compromise.
So what's the interest been?
Well, it's been brilliant. So it's not just the live studio operations and our live sports that we always work with. That shallow depth of field has been brilliant for fan engagement and capturing the emotion of the people you're shooting. But it's also been brilliant for live events and venues, live concerts. It's a whole different area which we've always played in, but it's giving them the creativity and the power as well, which is great to see.
And that's ready to buy, is it?
Absolutely. So it can be ordered now. It's going to be shipping in the next month. We're not in the game of launching something and shipping it a year later. Everything we're announcing is within the next 1 to 2 months, or if not available straight away.
So what else are you excited to bring to market?
Yep, so all of our customers are looking for, yes, the creativity piece on the cameras, but also streamlining and agility of their business, how they can do more with less. One of the key areas of that is production switching. So we have our software production switches, Maverick X, Live Producer, Sport Producer, etc. But we've got the brand new VXP K-frame chassis. So it's the K-frame power in a 5RU form factor, and at a lower cost than ever before, allowing you to have the power of 12G UHD switching, but in a small, compact form for corporate, enterprise, and those kind of style events.
I think we have time for one more.
Yeah, go on. Then we've got the ACE 3901 card, which is a modular gateway card from the Densité range, but it's allowing you to do 192 HD or 12G signals in SDI into COTS. So that's allowing me to get all of that I/O into software defined so it can run at scale. But of course it's an IP gateway as well, so if you want the highest, most dense populated modular card for IP conversion, the ACE can do that with 32 3G or 16 squared 12G in one slot, allowing you the highest density and throughput in the market.
So let's talk about those big trends. Let's talk about the AIs. Let's talk about the cloud. Obviously, you've been doing it for some time.
Yep, so AMP isn't just a cloud system, it is a software-defined solution. So that's one of the big misnomers in the market, that AMP runs entirely on-prem as well. A key customer around the corner, DMC Production with Ziggo Sports, is doing just that. An entire end-to-end of galleries, asset management, playout and the works, just in 20 Dell servers, all on premises in software, driving down the cost of production, increasing their agility. And I think AI is a massive part of that. We've got AI baked in across the entire portfolio, particularly in content management. We give you the tools so that you can pick the AI models and learning systems and localize them of your choice, and we interface with them as opposed to us telling you which systems to use. So if you're wanting a specific model for a certain purpose, you can run that through your machine learning, etc., on content management, for metadata, facial recognition, searching, just to streamline and automate as much of the workflow as possible so your content and production teams can generate more content with more creativity and ultimately monetize that content better.
You've always got one of the biggest stands here at IBC. How important is this event every year for you?
These trade shows are fantastic opportunities to talk and network with our customers and potential new customers, of course. But most importantly about everything else is to be able to show the entire end-to-end solution as one cohesive system. It's very difficult to visualize that if you don't get to see it firsthand. So having those conversations with the sheer quantity of customers we have coming through and talking to them about how they can truly revolutionize their productions, you can't be beaten.
So if your job is to bring all of these new products to market, dare I ask what's next?
Much more of the same evolution, the same revolution, and there's a big drive towards software defined, but a big element of what I'm trying to drive, or I am driving across the product portfolio, is that combination of best-in-class hardware and software and third-party solutions in one ecosystem. To really maximize the power and the benefit of these combined systems to basically streamline your production.
Adam, it's great to catch up with you, and I'll let you get back to the show. Thank you
very much.
so much.
Thanks for having me.